guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enter big picture mode in your Steam account. So guys, if you're using Steam and don't know how to enter big screen or big picture mode, then this video is for you. So big picture mode also means full screen, so just follow this video. So guys, after you open your Steam client, just go ahead and look at the top left corner if you're using a Mac, and you would notice that there's this plus sign. Just go ahead and tap on this green plus button and you have successfully entered the big picture mode. So if you're using Windows or other devices, you would notice that it should be on the top right corner instead of the left in Mac. So guys, there you go, that's how you do it. Hope this was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.